Objective for today is to solve exponential equations. The first example, 7 to the 2x power equals 123. 7 to the 2x power equals 123. You have to solve for x. X is up in the exponent. Just like with the continuously compounded problems, you have to find a log of both sides so that you can move the exponent down as a coefficient. Now you can use log natural or log. It makes no difference. I'm going to use log. So it's going to be log of 7 to the 2x power equals log 123. What you do to one side, you do to the other. And now you can move the 2x from an exponent position down to a coefficient position. 2x log 7 equals log 123. And then 2x will have to equal log 123 divided by log 7 to get that log 7 away from the left side. And then x would be log 123 divided by log 7. And of course you would have to divide by 2 so you can get the x by itself. Your final answer rounded to the 10th place should come out to be 1.2. The solution here is to find the log of both sides first, and then after that you're going to have to move the 3x down to the left by rule, and then on the right side you'll end up dividing by log of 5. And then after that, to get the 3 away from the x, you'll need to divide the entire right side by 3. You'll get a final answer of 1.2, rounded to the 10th place. In this example, we have 8 to the 3x plus 2 power minus 57 equals 0. Before we can do anything with logs, we have to move that minus 57 to the right side. So we have positive 57 on the right. Now we can do a log of both sides. So we'll have log of 8 to the 3x plus 2 power, and then log of 57. Now by rule you can bring down the 3x plus 2 power, but be sure to put it in parentheses. Now we can leave the 3x plus 2 by itself and divide the right side by log 8. Now you're going to have 3x by itself. I'm going to have to write this a little differently than it is on the screen so I can fit everything in. You'll have log 57 divided by log 8. But now we're moving the 2 over, and we're making it minus 2. So now to get x by itself, we'll have everything from the last step, including the minus 2, but now you must divide everything by 3. You'll come up with a final answer of a negative 0.0 2 if we round to the hundredths place. In this practice problem, you will have 9 to the 4x minus 2 power minus 180 equals 0. Solution for this problem is you're going to need a log of both sides first. So log 9 to the 4x minus 2 power. And of course that's going to be after you move the 180 to the right and make it positive. I skipped that step. Now move the 4x plus 2 to the left and close it in parentheses. Keep everything else the same. And now we need 4x plus 2 equals log 180 divided by log 9. Yeah, that should be a minus sign right here. That's my fault. Minus 2. And then we'll have 4x equals log 180 over log 9. And then it'll be plus 2 on this side. And now to get x by itself, we'll need log 180 over log 9 plus 2, and then all of that divided by 4. You'll get a final answer rounded to the hundredths place of 1.09. In this example, we have 4 to the 3x power equals 6 to the 2x plus 5 power. Now we want to get these exponents down from their position. So we're first going to start with log 4 to the 3x power, and then log 6, log 6, and I've left myself with no choice but to write over that in white. If I can get the marker to work. There we go. You can't hit the back button on this when it's recording. Log 6 to the 2x plus 5 power. Now if we simplify, by rule we can move 3x to the left on this, and then we're going to have 2x plus 5 to the left of log 6. Now there's nothing you can do with 3x log right now. Except to write in the 4 there that I left out. Yeah, we can do that. So we can't touch the 3x log 4 just yet, because on the right hand side you're going to have 2x plus 5, that quantity times log 6. What you can do with that is the following. Keep the 3x log 4 the way it is, but distribute the log 6 through the 2x plus 5. So it's 2x log 6 plus 5 log 6. Now we need our x's on the same side. We need x's on the same side. So to do that, what we're going to do is leave this where it's at, 3x log 4, and I cannot keep my equal signs lined up because I'll run out of room. We're going to move this over to the left and make it minus. And then we'll have 5 log 6 by itself over there. Now, we have a case of factoring that we have to do now. And each term here has something in common that we can factor out. What is that? X, yeah, so if we factor out x, we're left with 3 log 4 minus 2 log 6. And the right side stays the same. Now to get x by itself, we need to divide 5 log 6 by the quantity of 3 log 4 minus 2 log 6. You should at that point come back with an answer of 15.6 rounded to the 10th place. On the homework, we did not get a chance to get to problems number 3 as well as 8. 3 and 8, but you can still do them, and if you get the right answer, it'll be extra money.